the system bring you down. My heart's of the pace. Okay. Give me the advanced setting. Don't know. I can never figure this mic out. Maybe it's too loud. How about now? Mic check. 1, 2. 1, a 2, a 1, a 2. Okay. Video stats. Yes, sir. What does download bit rate? What does it mean? What does it mean though? Okay. Bit rate. Number of bits that are processed and transmitted. Oh, okay. Okay, makes sense. This one's at 6,000. So it should be pretty good. Per unit of time. Latency is not bad either. It's about 3 seconds. Damn, and it's got like 3 seconds of video in the buffer. That's pretty cool. Nice, okay. No, I think that's it. Okay, where was I? Okay. Do remember stuck on this. Okay. I think something I haven't tried yet. I'm gonna ask chat. Let's ask the big boy. When using the ESP-01S with Pico, how can I, what do I need before I can start sending AT commands to the device. And I did need ESP datasheet. Did I look at this? I think so. Oh, yeah. As soon as I see this, I'm like, there's a lot of stuff happening here. And I don't know what that is. What did it say? So there's 3-volt pins, and as far as I can see, they're both connected. What is the other one? So the other one is this pin here and 2 pins over. The EN. Yeah. There's no mention of the RST, so baud rate, yeah. What's with the /r/n? I do remember seeing that somewhere. It says time.sleep 1. Okay. That 1 second. Hang on. Oops. I almost disconnected the camera. Okay, there we go. Can just leave this connected. So a lot of clicking and clucking. Right, okay. So, okay, binary? Okay, I'm guessing. I did see this. Hang on. You are the intro. Exit alive. Steps for your transmission. Parity stop. No, there's no mention of it. Hmm. UR.read 1. Is that all? How do you sleep? Must be in time. Sleep? No? Okay, there's 2 times. Where am I using this? Okay, I got it. And the Pico has a time as well. There we go. We'll sleep the same amount. After I write that, time dot sleep milliseconds to 50. Yep. And what else? Power considerations, common issues. How do I reset ESP-01S? Connect RST pin to ground momentarily. Okay, it looks like I might have to use the breadboard. Yeah, because if that's the reason it's not working, don't want to waste more time. And yeah, also, why the /r/n in the end? So I don't remember seeing it here. Maybe AD commands. Okay, I'll leave special characters. With a carriage return and line feed. Really? Okay. See if clouds actually. Right. Okay. Big build and then pico to load dash x. Was it capital X? X. Man. Load. Dash X file name. Okay. Okay. Sig build. Go to dash X. Where is it? I think it's sig out somewhere. And then, yeah. Oh, I forgot the load command. But am I printing something? What am I doing with the buffer? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. What's this? 2, and response is after len. Means the buffer is empty. Returns from UART. Doesn't complete the transaction. Yeah. So the buffer is empty and there's no errors. Suppose it's something. What am I expecting? An okay. Do I clear errors? Yeah, I do. Mail cleared it at the end. Oops. No. Not sure. There's no errors because I've cleared it. No. Yeah, because I've captured the variable, so okay, that's not it. Think it might be the reset. Okay, I'm gonna grab the breadboard and do this. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Need to make some space. That's fine. I'll just move the keyboard out of the way. Okay, this will do. Got the old Pico that I've been using. Gonna remove the old display because it's garbage. I'm gonna Okay. Gonna be a pain in the ass to connect this display, but not too bad. Okay, need a red wire. I mean, it's a shame you can't really see what I'm doing. Maybe. What if I move the camera down? I know if this. No. What about now? Oh yeah, maybe. That's not bad. I can just get the keyboard out of the way. Oops. Chris. Right about here. Okay. It's a bit too. I think I gotta get the brightness down. It takes a while for the about 3 seconds. Okay. That's fine. Doesn't make a difference. Gonna put this here. And I can't see it now. Yeah, so I need a red one. So it's easier. A red one. An orange one. Don't need a yellow. Ooh. Yeah. Don't need a green one. Blue one? Yes. Hey Mikosko. I'm switching to a breadboard so I can reset the. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. I don't know how to do it though. I'll figure it out after for the next stream. Okay. And I want a white wire. Don't need this. Okay, that's for the display. And okay. So I need 3 volts. So I think I'm using this, the red ones. 3. Yeah. Okay. I'll have a ground. Red one for power. I think I need another red one for power. And okay. So I'll use okay. So green is read and yellow is write. And gray is reset. Okay, that should be enough. Disconnect the display first. Ground is blue. Oh, these pins are like quite shit. That's not good. What about this one? Yeah, these are fine. Okay, I'll just use my old display. It's not great, but just leave that in there. Because these pins not so great. Okay. Now, I'll just get this out of the way. Connect power. 3 volts. And I think it was the EN that was 3 volt. No, fuck, that's the IO. There we go. I should just check. Hang on. Where is it? I just got... Yeah, EN to 3.3. Okay, and connect the read wire. Here. Just receive. And right. Here. Okay. And the reset pin. It's gonna be a bit tight. Yeah, hang on. Connect this power. You need to... Okay. Do you know how much is the resistance that I need? Okay, yeah, I'll check the datasheet. Okay, so all I need to connect now is the GPIO pins. Oh no, I don't need to. Okay, let me check the datasheet. Also, I need a resistor for both TX and RX. 10K, 20K. Just move this back. And Okay, but this is the ESP. Is that 2K? It's really small. Where did it go? Here. So this one's going from okay. This is the reset button. Sorry, the pin goes to a 2K resistor. 2.2. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I think I've got one. And then that goes to, shouldn't this be a GPIO? One, reset. This is the Arduino transaction transmit. Sorry. It's also got a resistor. Should be 3.3 volt normally, and then okay. I think it's rated. Yeah, because I think the Pico runs on 3.3. So I'm guessing I can ignore this. Okay, to mains. So I just need one resistor between the reset and whichever GPIO it's connected to. Okay, let me get some resistors. I'll be right back. Got a few of them here. Don't know. I haven't checked this box in a while. You said 2.2 kilo ohms. Okay. Yeah, let's have a look. 130, 22, 1, 220, 22, 47, it's 10. Oh, I got 1K. Okay. On TX, it depends on the ESP model. Okay, sure. We will give it a go. Okay, I think two of these should be fine. Don't need these. Oh, and I've got 2.2. Yeah. Yeah, got a couple of 100. Come on. Okay. But how will I connect so many? Let me see if I have 220. I got a 1.2. Maybe I've got a 2.2. 330. AK6, AK2, AK9. It's too much. 2M. 560, 10K. Damn. 270. 220. 22K. It's too much. 680. 68. 39. Got a 1K too. Oh yeah, I got a 2K too. Perfect. Put this back. Alright, figure this out later. Okay. So it needs to be between. I don't need these. Okay, just give me a few seconds, Mikosko. Okay. Okay, move that to the side. Need these. Okay. Now, where are the numbers here? This is 23. Hang on, let me get the Pico in. '23 is here. 16 and 17. Okay. Did I connect the ground? No. Do I have a blue one? Yeah. Okay. Let's connect the ground. Okay. How do I? Maybe I'll move this here. That's more space. Connect. It's gonna be quite messy. So connect. Use the last one. Then power. Oh, one of them. No, that was the reset. So the reset needs to be connected to the resistor, and the resistor needs to go to the GP, the IO pin. Where is the datasheet? Here. Okay. Me. Maybe I can make it quite slim. There we go. Okay. So this, yeah, this is fine. Damn. Okay. Is it in place? Yeah. So that's for the scheme is true for the switch. Should be fine if I'm not using the switch, right? Because I can just use the IO as a switch. Okay, so I think green is RX, so that will go to, where is that? Here. It should go to TX. Green is, yeah, okay. That is, oh fuck, there's no space there. Might have to move this. Oh, fuck. It's like, can I move this? Damn. No, it's like too tight. So, no, wrong. Goes here. Just have to like try to fit it there. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So the receive is connected and yellow is the transmit. And that's 17. Okay. So now all I've got to connect is the reset. So if I connect it here, and then from here to one of the GPIOs. Sorry, it's a bit small, Mikosko. Alright. I'll use, I guess I can use any of the GPIO. So I'll just use 18. Yeah. Oh, I need a different wire. Hang on, I need more wires. Okay. There we go. Fuck. This is such a mess here. It's fine. I'll take the gray one. Okay. So let's go from here. Oh, maybe I can use one on this side. Oh, let's say I'll use the last one. 15. Okay, I think that should be it. Better now. It's like, maybe you can see it better now. It's a bit too bright. There. Okay, I guess I'll turn it on. Hopefully nothing blows up. Okay, there's an adder. Fuck. Let me go. Let me rebuild. The boot select. Yeah, two. Yeah. Okay. Then should be able to build. Okay. Display works. And okay, so I think now I can reset the what's it called? The thing. Okay, I think I can switch it back now. There we go. Okay. And we are back. I'm not sure if the connection is right. Let me just double check quickly. Got 2 3-volt connections, one ground. The EN and the 3-volt, yeah. And the transaction, the yellow, is connected to TX and sorry, RX. Is it? Hang on, let me just double check. Yeah, it is. And where's RX? Green one is connected to TX. And the reset is connected. Yep, okay. I think the connection looks fine. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, let me get my keyboard back. My chair's gone down. Okay. So I think where's the here. So I can use pin 15 to reset. Pin 15. Const reset is GPIO.num 15. So it's got to be pulled down. Think. Oh, wonder. Do I have to specify the direction? Mm-hmm. Boot switch. No, hang on. Guessing it's going. No, sorry. Guessing is going to be out. And output high. Wasn't it? Oh, so it's got to be set to. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's got to go from output high and then output low. Okay. We have a look at. Yeah. So I got to set the direction. What's this? No. What's IRQ level? Oh, I can just pull it down. Okay, how do I use this? Set pull. And it takes the pin. If I set it to down, it goes from, no, should be this one. I think you don't need to pull output, only input. How did you know this was output? You don't need to pull output, only input. So the direction's got to be in. Hey, what's the name? Think of pull up, pull down transistors. GPIO can only read or write. If you've got a transistor, it's different. So high equals pull up and low equals pull low. I'm a bit confused. Okay, so I've just got to pull low, I'm guessing. Yeah, no, I don't think so. There was just one resistor here. So if you pull it up, you're writing on GPIO pin. Okay, let's try. Well, let's try one of these. There's only two options, so I think it's fun. And the direction is what I'm a bit confused about. Excuse me. We're writing, sorry. We are, it's gonna be go out or, yeah. Oh, no, I think, hang on, direction here. Oh, yeah, you're right. With input, you're reading. With output, you're writing. So we've got to write and we've got to pull down. Oh, jeez. But if you are writing, up means high and down means low. Yeah, okay. So we need direction to be out and we need to pull. Up means high, down means low. Yeah, we gotta pull down. Okay, I think that sounds about right. Okay, let's try one of those. Okay, where's my UART pin? I can do it here. No. So I'll do pin. Because RPI has integrated pull up / down resistors. Okay, hang on. I need to check I think they have some examples. 2040. What's PCF? No idea. I think that's a display. Okay, I mean, let's just try. What's the worst that can happen? It's more straightforward to understand with transistors. On some pin of a chip, you have to keep high / pulled up all time, and you want to reset it, you pull it low. Well, I think isn't it the same idea, right? When like it's always high, and is the change in, well, from up to high that triggers the reset. Oh geez, now I'm getting confused. I thought it was the other way. Hang on, let me check the datasheet. Reset. Oh, actually, you might be right. Must be pulled to 3.3. Slow, and you pull it high to reset it. On ESP it's high by default. Okay, let's just try, it's fine. Okay, how do I do this? Okay, I can just do a config. Now, and just here. Let me have a look. Mask. Yep. And okay, do you want to see the you need pull resistor to 3.3. Okay, do you want to see the where is it? It was here. This one. So the reset button. This reset button is quite confusing. Pull resistor needed to be sure that there is high on that pin to avoid random resets. Okay, resets need to be high. Okay. I'm willing to try. It's like, but now the question is, I'm not sure how. So I know I can pull it, but is that a config for the pin? And the direction is out. I did set it for, yeah, for the LED. Can I use global configuration? And what's that? Okay. So reset needs to be high. So to reset gets pulled low. Ah, no, it's fine. We didn't make it worse. I was already confused before you said anything. So okay. Maybe I just copy this. Yeah. And what I'll do is I'll call it, I think this was, which pin did I use? 15. Then call it reset. Then can I do, yeah, configuration, pull down. Is is that what we agreed on? Yeah. Okay, hang on, no. It needs to be pull high. Okay. And then pull. is going to be dot high. Okay, I think that should work. Oh no. Full. It's not high. It's down. So reset needs to be high. So it's high and then it needs to be pulled down. Okay. And then I think we can do, call it reset pin config. Set pin config dot apply. Okay, I think that should be it. Let's see if it actually did anything. Oops. Okay. Oh, I got a response back, but I got a break error. Got 21. What is a break error? I don't remember seeing it anywhere. UART break error. Okay, Stack Overflow. Okay, a break condition occurs when transmitter is holding the data line at logical 0 for too long. So now pass signal example. Can also occur when the transmitter is sending at a lower speed as the receiver is expecting. Perhaps the clock is not properly initialized. Okay, have a look. What other config does it allow? What bits, step bits? What was the first one? The UART error coming from the ESP. Maybe you need the voltage divisor. Yeah, the error is coming from the ESP, yeah. So the error is coming from here. When I tried to read from the ESP. So I get an error here. Maybe we need a voltage divisor. Let me check the datasheet. So that means between the TX and an RX, need a resistor. Let me check the other board. Did they use... It's hard to say what resistor they're using. What's that? I just remember a problem with ESP. Some have different... What is bright rates? Oh, baud rates. Yeah. Yeah, I think there is also... I do remember reading, I think it was here, and if I check for 26M, so it says here that if you use a 26M crystal, the baud rate is that. What's that? You need TX RX needs to be 3.3. Oh, you mean the... Yeah. But okay, I was looking at the voltage divisor. Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's 3.3 by default. I was just looking at the here, this one, the voltage divider. So, I mean, there's two things right now that I can think of. Is the crystal on the ESP is 26M. So I don't know if the baud rate should be lower. Yeah, I'll try this one. And then try that. Okay. I mean, there's no error now, but I get nothing back. Maybe I'm not printing. What am I doing? So I init. And if code's not 0, I print an error. Okay, it prints nothing, so I'll just put response here. Response len. Okay, I think there's something else. It never gets to that line. Nothing is printed here. Ah, fuck, because I think I'm printing the wrong thing. Think bufferint. Oh no, it returns the slice back. So there's no error here. Maybe just try to print buffer. Nothing. Why is that? Well, something should be printed. What's happening in write line? Gets a string. I don't even remember what this does anymore. Been a while. What's that? What's the name? If baud rate is wrong, you can still get bytes back from it that are wrong. I think I'm using this one here, 74,880. But I think the problem now, it's not with the ESP. I think it's my code. Because there's an error. So I'm kind of how I'm debugging it is. So I read, and if there's an error, I return one of these error codes, and they're just random. And then if there's no error, it just returns that error using data from ESP. Yeah. So well, you can say that, yeah, because read returns like these receive errors. So if there's no error, it just returns 0. And then I print the buffer. For some reason, the buffer is not getting printed. I just overwrite the original one. So if your baud rate's wrong, you'll still get data, but wrong format. Yeah. But the problem is it's not even printing, you know, this constant, like this string here. So can't see this line at all, like response length. So I can't see the output on the display. Yeah, there's like no characters. Oh, okay. I think it's B, if I'm not wrong. Nope. Like, yeah, it doesn't even print the initial. Bring buff to back. Fuck, I think I'm doing something silly here. Let's put any for now. me try again. That's weird. Okay, let me just print something like a constant. Oh, I figured. That's so weird. Let me just print right line. I'll do a test. Oops. And can this header? Yeah. And start LED up. So the other possibility is that the response never comes back. Yeah, okay. I think that's it. So this like never gets printed. So I'm guessing like the read is like blocking. If I put a timeout, I think I won't get a response. But duration from yeah. I'm writing it back to the screen. So I'm guessing it's the baud rate. Yep. So now I get a response. It's timeout. Okay. Feel like I'm taking one step forward and 5 steps back. Try 9600. Sure. You mean the baud rate, right? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's try. I'll also leave the timeout back. I'll leave that there. Yeah, it still times out. Maybe if I remove the timeout and just see if it comes back with any. Yeah, I think so. I think in between. Oh, yeah, here. Yeah, if I remove the timeout, the response doesn't come. I think it's 250. Oh, you mean how many sleeps? Okay. Actually, that is a good point. I didn't think of that. It's a good idea. No. No, nothing. It's still like blocked here. What are the other options? What if I tried this one? Read RX. Maybe. Hang on. But read what? Right. I'm willing to try anything at this point. Nothing. Oh no, there's an error. What is that? Expected one argument. No, there's two. Oh no, there is one. Oh, but where does it read it to? Oh, it returns a U8. Okay. So I do off of, I'll just write it to the first one. This buffer, yeah, it's a slice. Oh, sorry. Oops. Do I? No, I don't. No, I do. Nothing. Fuck me. This is like... I mean, the crazy part is I don't know what's wrong. Because usually, you know, you have errors, you can log stuff out. Hmm. Let's ask... yeah, let's ask Google once again. Did they mention anything in blocking? Nothing. Yeah, I need a debugger. I think they do. It's what was it called? Pico UART debug module. They do have a, yeah, this one. I think I loaded one today. Because this is like impossible otherwise. But I have a question though. If it's blocking, so let me just try to think it through. Here. So right now, yeah. So I have 180 command. That I'm transmitting. And so there's a few responses you can get. Configuration. So even if send failed, shouldn't it return back? Oh, maybe it is, but I just can't read it. The receiving URL discards the stop bit, blah, blah, blah. Let me ask the AI, see if it can do anything. The no, the Pico does not get any response. It's stuck on read. What? I've tried changing the, oh, hang on, I just realized something. You know when the baud rate was the big number, this one. What was the receive error was break error. Let me ask about that. Getting break error when the baud rate is set to, what's it? Where did it go? Here? Yeah, that one. But otherwise, and when I set a lower baud rate, it's blocked. The read is blocked forever. Incorrect wiring. I mean, should just check the wiring. I did check it twice. Let me check the pin diagram again. But this one, go. Hey, I got an error back. It was a bit slow, but I did get something back. Oh, I got the same error. Huh. Did I change the baud rate? Okay. So it did actually respond. It took about 5 minutes, but so I'm guessing it's not the baud rate because the error is the same. But then I'm missing something else. Hey, I got a response. What did I do? I think it was the sleep thing that you said. What's the name? It doesn't block anymore. Oh, it didn't? Oh. I was like, oh, fuck, it's working. Of course it didn't compile. Thanks. Fuck, that is so stupid. Oh, fuck. I got excited there for a second. What am I doing? Oh, the read word. I'll just change it back to read. Blocking. Thanks. Thank you for pointing it out. Almost celebrated too early. Oh, hang on. It's stuck. Okay. Did I? Yeah, I did. Now it's blocking again. Let me just double check my connections. So TX is connected to pin 22. Yeah. It's connected to receive. And then 21 is connected to receive. Yeah. There's two 3-volt connections, one reset, and ground. Where is ground? 38. 36? What's 36? Yeah. Okay, I think the connections look fine. I don't know if it's good. I think I prefer the error. There's no longer an error, but also there's no response. What if I made this? No. No. Didn't disconnect. Okay. It's the same thing. It's nothing but transmit error. Transmission never errors, which is weird. It takes forever to read. I don't know. I don't know what to do. This is fucking hard. I don't even know what's wrong. Fuck me. I think writing a compiler was easier. At least you know when something went wrong. Well, I still haven't tried the divisor. I think I might try give that a go. So it needs a 10k resistor. Okay. Why is there two of them? What's that? Pico USB serial code. Sync serial monitor over USB. Okay. Window IDE serial monitor. Lowest 5 to 3 volt. This allows you to print text to your terminal. It's the same thing as Pico talking to ESP. Oh, okay. You mean like instead of talking to the ESP, it'll speak to the terminal. That's pretty cool. Okay. That could be useful. You know, there's another thing I just thought of. I could... but no, that was for the Arduino. So your terminal to Pico to ESP. Oh, you just gave me an idea. Because I saw... Fuck, where was it? I think... ESP-01S. Yeah, I think I saved it. This one. Because here... I could write a basic terminal program. I don't know what that is. Because this one apparently works. It helps with debugging. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So got two new options. Pico USB serial code. I could set this up. Building and uploading. Oh, this is cool. So this is like, yeah. Yeah, but I think that's fine. That's not a big deal. Let us see. I can just rewrite it and see. So this is, it's like, yeah, I think so too. If I can't get it to work with Zig, I think I can also, what's it called? Import C files into Zig. So it's kind of like the Pico's terminal. Okay, that is neat. What does it do? Include Pico SDK. Link LED Pico standard lib. Interesting. How is it doing that? Is it a library? Prompt by using that. Folder where you stored your project. If you haven't seen manual. First change is okay. You're using UART to send characters. Gotcha. Okay. Hey, this is useful. So I can, oh, I do have, is it? I think there's a couple of ones for data. I think this one's. Yeah. Oh, jeez. I mean, for some reason I thought the ESP would be a bit faster compared to the display. I was so wrong. I think the challenge is like I find myself guessing a lot of the things. But for the display, there was like really good documentation. I think that's the main challenge. Yeah, and this whole UART thing is quite new to me as well. But this seems good. Let's have a look. My PC is very similar using serial monitor. If we're going to output a string over USB to further indicate when LED is on or off. So what's that? What's the name? I had the same issue with ESP. Yeah, fuck. It is. Like, I believe you. Fuck me. Adding Pico makes it harder. I think so. I'm not sure if I needed to make it harder. Well, to be fair, yeah, no, I don't think I have any Arduinos. What about 3 more Picos, but like when it first came out, everyone said to flash ESP when you get it with a USB flasher. You mean flash the... Ah, okay. Flash ESP when you get it. Oh, you mean like the software in the ESP itself? I was actually it was the other day. I think it was ESP. Yeah. I think that's not a bad idea because it's like USB program adapter. Yeah, this thing, right? Yeah. They're on holiday for the next 4 days. I'll get it. When they closed, 12 to 16. Yeah, fuck. Well, I mean, I can order it today. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I was looking at it. Because you can connect and read from the chip. Then after the stream today, I will order that. Because, I don't know, otherwise, I'm gonna be stuck with this forever. Get that, do it with Pico. Yeah. But you know, I just thought of something else. Hang on, let me just bring it. We could. Oh, sorry, my chair. Hang on. I have this Pico W. it's got Wi-Fi on it. Do you think while I wait for, you know, this thing to arrive, does it have a Wi-Fi chip? So yeah, I could just, I mean, I think it's the same chip, so I don't have to change anything else, but it's got Wi-Fi built in. I totally forgot that I had this. So that's option B while I wait for, where is it? While I wait for this. Because I still want to like make it work. Because, you know, I've spent too much time. Now I can't like no, give up. So while that thing comes, I can use this one. Yeah. And the good thing is I've got 4 days off till Tuesday. Yeah, okay. I think that's a good plan. Order this thing, and then in the meantime, try to get Wi-Fi working on the other one. Can you use the Wi-Fi to debug? I can just connect to the Pico using so this one's got a Wi-Fi chip, right? So I was thinking if I connect to the same network, I can use this to debug the ESP. I mean, if the library doesn't work. I mean, I think the library will work. And that way I don't have to use my display. Interesting. What's this big thing over here? Oh, that's the Wi-Fi. Let me open this up. Yeah. I was like, connect the ESP. And it's got the same crystal as the ESP. Yeah. Damn. I mean, that could be fun. I like it. We're getting like new options. Is it 5? Let's have a look. Does it say anything here? Pico W. Yeah. Voltage dividers. Yeah. Think. So the only confusion with the voltage divider is, so the ground needs to have a resistor, and then the voltage coming from Pico needs to have a resistor as well. That's it, right? There's also two of them. And I've got both these resistors, 10K and 20K. Okay. Processor. To that much. Yeah. Tolerable channels. Need one for read-write lines. Ah, okay, got it. So, oh, and how much should that be? Okay, one for read and one for write. No, there's only one. The one that sends. So between TX and RX, there needs to be a 10K resistor. And then I don't understand this one. The ground is connected to the resistor, which is connected to, not sure what this is. I can have a look at it later. Let me just check what is the voltage on it. Controller. It's connected to ground, so some current goes to ground. Five volt to 3.3 as ESP draws that amount of current. Connected to ground, so some current goes to ground. Oh, you mean the excess, whatever's extra. Yeah, sure. Voltage divider. Okay. Okay. Just save this. Pico W and Pico WH. Yeah, I will have a look at YouTube. The thing is, you know, after the stream, I totally forget, like, oh, maybe I need to like prepare something, and I always forget. So when I start the next day, I'm kind of like lost. So 3.3. Where can I find Pico W voltage? There's a data sheet. 3. Does it say 5 anywhere? PS required 3.3 to power the external circuitry from a wide range of power voltages. Okay, so I think it's still 3.3 even on the W. Oh yeah. Okay. No, that's okay. All good. You've been like super helpful. Like, it's better than being stuck by yourself. So yeah, so gotta order this. Definitely do it today. Totally forgot about it. I wanted to order it 2 days ago. Totally forgot. And I think they're all the same. Yeah, I think they should work. Ah, and I can still connect this to the board. Oh, and it has a reset button. Cool. So I can use the other one. Fewer wires. What kind of programming do you do? What's the name? So I know Mikosko does, I think, networking. If I'm correct. Something related to networking. And he writes in Rust, by the way. So that's that. Oh, okay. You also work with IoT and embedded stuff. That's cool. I mean, yeah. I mess around with OpenGL and Android. OpenGL. That sounds familiar. OpenGL. I think I've heard of it. Yeah. I did use it one time. I think I used it with... Fuck. Yeah, Raylib. That's the one. I think Raylib uses OpenGL. OpenGL with Android. With Android. Okay. Interesting. That is cool. I have been actually... I don't know if you work with Android apps, but a friend of mine asked, like, she wanted an app. She wanted an app for her work thing. So I was like, yeah, why not? I read about this thing recently. It's called like Hyperview, and like server ended. So it's like, okay, give that a go. Yeah. Flood is the other one. Yes. Because at one of the contracts that I work for, I build the API for the Flutter app. Yeah, I do want to check out Flutter, and this is, I don't know if you've like heard of HTMX, because all my web apps and one of my projects, well, work project, I use HTMX, and this is kind of like the mobile version of HTMX. It's pretty cool. It's like if I want to update the app, who made it yesterday? Oh yeah, I think Carson something. Forget his name. Yeah. So it's the same idea. Like if you wanna, the cool thing is if you wanna update the app, because usually you have to wait for like Apple or Android to approve your app. But if you use Hyperview, you just update the server and it'll just, you can return the new updated UI, which I thought was like quite cool. So you can, it's like kind of like websites. So updates are really fast. Oh yeah, I love HTMX. I think when I started programming, I used to do a lot of React, and after I think 2 or 3 years, I got really bored. And then I heard about this HTMX thing, and since then I've been mostly using only HTMX. It's so simple. It's really nice. I do like it. What do you program in for? Yeah, what languages do you use? Oh yeah, I do Go too. I write all my backend in Go. C++. Yeah, I haven't done C++ in, I'd say like 10 years, maybe more. Is it 10? Yeah, about 10 years, maybe more, yeah. 10, 12 years. Don't remember anything. I do like C. I think before Zig, I used C for all the low level stuff. I do like C. C is pretty cool. Super easy. Got like shit ton of wires here. My desk is a mess. It's fine. Ah yeah, I heard about Jai too. It's a language from J Blow. Yeah, they haven't opened it yet, right? Yeah. Then it's like, hang on, where did it go? Thought they had a website. It's on Hacker News. Yeah, I think that should be pretty cool too. Oh, okay, just fan websites. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that makes sense. And yeah, I also do think it's nice that they haven't opened it just yet because it's not ready. I do like that. It's cool. Same that games. Yeah, I haven't like I don't know much about it except that Jonathan Blow is making it, but I think that's it. But yeah, then it's worth trying out. I do think because I think started with C, if I remember correctly, and only did C for a few years. And some professor in my college made me do like C sharp. That was the worst. I didn't really like C sharp. I mean, I don't mind C sharp, but it's the whole Windows thing I didn't like. Yeah, I'm pretty new to Zig. I only started it. Yeah, I mean, I tried to like it like 2 times. Um, I tried again like 5 years ago. I thought, okay, maybe I should just try it. Maybe it was me. Nah, still don't like it. Mm. Plus, I don't do any Windows stuff anyways. Yeah. Fuck DLL files. That's yeah, fucking worse. And there's like so much boilerplate if you want to do anything with .NET. Jeez. Yeah. But I don't know. I mean, some people like it, so it's fine. Zig has some of the features, but don't know them all. Yeah. I mean, Zig so far, I do like it. I think since I started doing Zig, I find that I'm understanding some more concepts of programming. Like just the other day, for the first time, I realized how interfaces actually work. And yeah, I do like that about Zig. Like you learn, or like I would say any low level language, which doesn't have a lot of, syntactic sugar. It does help like understand what's really going on. I was Yeah, it is like strange. But it's quite similar to Go, I felt. Except the error handling. But I got used to it pretty quickly, I would say. And I think the documentation is really good. I do like their documentation. I read, I think, yeah, I think I read about like half of it so far. But yeah, I have heard that before. People do find it weird. It is, and plus there is a lot of syntax. Not lot of syntax. You gotta like just write a lot of stuff. Yeah, same. Me too. I think was it Tiger Beetle or no? I saw I think I saw a talk by the creator, Andrew Kelly. What was he talking about? He was talking about some music app thing. Yeah. And of course, like from the Primogen, because he was talking about Zig a lot. So that's how I heard of it. But I have I read their style guide, Tiger Style. It's really good. I think it's one of the things that inspired me to take up Zig too. Because I would like to build, software that is that good. That's like, it's really cool. I mean, the whole simulation testing and all of it, I quite like it. Oops, that's my chair. One thing I need to look into, these guys didn't write their own scheduler, which is what everyone does. Say they hook into Linux kernel and use its scheduler. Okay. What's a scheduler? I mean, not sure I understand. Oh, okay. Gotcha. So people write their own? I mean, I find that is mad. Like, oh, okay, yeah, like a thread pool. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I would assume when you write your own database, that's crazy. People work on mad stuff. It's kind of cool. It's like so many new databases. I think last week I saw another one. I forgot what it was called. Actually, that's excuse me. There's another one that I wanted to try out. Yeah, you should write your own heap in C or smart pointers. Yeah, sure. I don't know what smart pointers are. I think, yeah, writing a heap would be fun. And you gotta like, so would you clean up the resources or just put it back in a pool? Excuse me, sorry. When you use a heap, I think you just put it back in a pool, right? It might be faster. Yeah, of course. I mean, when it comes to programming, it always depends. Yeah, plus, I think where did I see it? Like, I think it was when I was watching Handmade Hero, the first few episodes. Yeah. I think when he was talking about it's better to clean up everything at once than cleaning up too often. So at that point, you're writing a garbage collector, not just a heap. Have you tried to write it yourself? Heap or like smart pointers? Is it because like when you work with embedded stuff, it's not hmm. Hey, that's pretty cool. I have to say, that's awesome. I've heard of like smart pointers, but I have no idea what they are. When you load stuff into the heap, fragments. So if you control the heap, you can stop fragments getting bigger. You mean so you use yeah. Okay. So they're like what's it called? Like spatial locality. Yeah. I think it was there was this like what every programmer should know about memory. There was like an old paper. Yeah, this one. It's pretty good. Then it's cheaper to free a whole heap if you know all the data in it. It's cheaper to free a whole heap. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, then freeing up fragments. How long have you been programming for? What's a name? How can you not know? Or you can. That's cool. That's awesome. So I would say a lot of years. That's really cool. Think I did like on and off programming. Yeah, same here. I do, yeah. I just like to do random stuff too. Like, yeah, even this embedded stuff, I was just like curious, you know? Yeah, I love it too. Like, and because I mean, work is fine, but sometimes it can get a bit boring. So I like to do something else. I think I did on and off programming. The first time I tried it, yeah, I think so too. I mean, sometimes like you get to solve problems, like new ones, but most of the time at work, I find it's like quite the similar things. And a lot of the times, like, I just try like new stuff at work, but then like somebody has to like approve it. A lot of the times, I don't know, they're a bit scared to like make changes. So I find it easier to explore on my own time. I think the first time I tried to program, yeah, I know it is painful. It's I I think like not my current job, like my previous one. I used to have like so many branches that I where I would try stuff out. Then I'd show it to people and they'd be like, "Oh no, 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 no. This sounds a bit too risky." So, yeah, I stopped doing that after a while. But I mean, I still do it even now. I have like a lot of hidden things that I do at work. I mean, yeah, not hidden, but like some exploration. But I stopped doing it. Find it's better to just to do your own side project. And to be fair, I only learned programming like the second time. The first time I would like fuck, I struggled a lot. And then I was like, nah, this is not for me. And then I tried, I think about 6 years later. And for some reason, I got it the second time. And since then, like, haven't looked back. Alright, what's the name? Takes a while to pick up speed on it. Yeah, same. I was just about to end the stream as well. I mean, it's not late, but for me. But yeah, hey, it was really nice to talk to you too. Get some rest. What's the name? And maybe I'll see you again later. Thank you, and have a good weekend. Actually, Saturday. And Mikosko, thank you too. And thank you for today. Alright guys, have a good one. I shall see you later. Da, 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 da.